this huge outside kitchen, this smartly configured bathroom, and a pantry large enough to hide a person in. These are just 3 of the best features on this 260 RBS floor plan. Stick around for more. Hi, I'm Mike Stevens, District Sales Manager for the Bullet brand here at Keystone RV. Today I'm standing in front of our brand new 2023 Bullet 260 RBS. This 30-foot 6-inch ultralight travel trailer weighs in at under 6,500 pounds. With a large rear bathroom, open concept living space, and oversized outside kitchen, this unit is perfect for small families and couples that are looking to get away to build memories together. Let's take a quick look. Starting on the outside of this coach, we're greeted with our extra wide 42-inch baggage doors that open up to an incredible 51 cubic foot of pass-through storage. The baggage doors are held open with our magnetic locking latches. Looking inside, you'll notice a convenient pegboard wall organizer where you can securely mount tools and camp gear while you travel. Off campsite, you'll find Bullet's Smart Convenience Center that's fully equipped with a hot and cold outside shower, fresh and city water connections, black tank flush, electric stabilizer jack controls, key TV, our roof satellite prep, and a rapid winterization system that's normally only found in higher-end fifth wheels. On top of all this, every Bullet product comes standard with Keystone's worry-free HyperDeck floor. This incredible floor offers an exclusive inorganic material build, meaning there's nothing to rot, sag, or dip over time from accidental water damage. There are a few more things I'd like to show you before we head inside. Let's head back to the campsite. One of our goals for this Keystone Bullet 260 RBS was to offer an exterior kitchen that's not only user-friendly, but also significantly larger than most other ultralight floor plans. It features plenty of storage, an outside sink, 4.4 cubic foot refrigerator, and due to popular demand, we've upgraded our exterior cooktops. This floor plan includes our new Capital Grill. Let's go take a look at the inside of the coach. Inside the 260 RBS, we immediately notice the dome ceilings that give you a 6-foot 10-inch ceiling height, perfect for those who need extra headroom. Although a trifold sleeper sofa is standard, this specific model shows our optional and extremely comfortable Thomas Paine Theater seating. The standard Dream Dinette is extremely easy to convert into extra sleeping. However, new for 2023 models, you also have the option for a freestanding table and chairs. You'll notice that the living room seating is located directly across from the entertainment center with a built-in TV and electric fireplace. Another very unique feature for this floor plan is its extra large pantry that's right beside the entry door. Turning our attention over to the kitchen, I wanted to point out the ample amount of storage. Large upper and lower cabinets coupled with drawers give owners a lot of options to store plates, pots, pans, or even a crock pot. The large countertop and counter extension offers plenty of prep space, and the single basin stainless steel sink and high-rise faucet make doing dishes much more manageable. To top it all off, this outlet makes it extremely easy to plug in any necessary items. Stepping into the large rear bathroom, you'll notice tons of storage. One large linen cabinet, a medicine cabinet, under sink storage, and an additional second linen cabinet. Surrounded with decorated glass, you can now enjoy a longer shower with our new tankless water heaters, which are standard on most 2023 Bullet models. Let's go check out the bedroom. Inside the bedroom, I wanted to point out a couple of things. Walking through the wide entry, thanks to the dual pocket doors, you're greeted with a cozy bedroom in this couple's coach. Standard on almost every Bullet, you'll find a laundry chute that leads directly to the pass-through storage. You'll also find the standard pillow side shelving that's perfect for a CPAP machine, charging a cell phone, or storing a good book. The dual wardrobes, drawers, and overhead cabinets provide plenty of storage options as well. Thank you for taking a first look at the 2023 Bullet 260 RBS. If you want more great content, make sure that you like and subscribe to the Keystone RV YouTube channel so that we can better help you camp better.